Welcome to AZ Solutions Flash Fill. Flash Fill is another way of separating your data instead of using the text to column technique. You simply click alongside your data, type in the piece of information that you want it to extract, fill it down as per usual. You will then see a smart tag display along the bottom. It will then have the option for Flash Fill. Now remember, this came out in 2013, so if you have prior versions you will not see this tool for Flash Fill. Select Flash Fill, and now it has picked up the first name from each of these. If what I wanted to pick up was the surname, I could do the same thing. Notice if I enter it in uppercase, it follows that trait and continues it in uppercase. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions Flash Fill.